Hey, what's up friends? You're watching Fancy Pants Media, and today we're doing a little unboxing of this guy. It's the Quip Time Sonic Vibrating Bristle Brush. This thing is supposed to be really cool. It's slate metal. We got this at Target. But what my wife loves about this thing, she asked me to actually do this review video, so if you're a YouTuber out there, just know that your wife is going to ask you to do videos from time to time. She loves this thing. She's only had it for 2 days, and she raves about it to everybody that she's talked to, and she bought one for me. I bought one for her as a gift, and then she bought one for me. So comment in the comments down below if you think that my gift is now null and void because she just gave me the same thing, or maybe you have like a really nice sweet answer of why we're just amazing, awesome gift-giving people. Anyway, this is the actual size of the brush. It says supersonic vibrations, lightweight metal handled. The charge lasts for 3 months, has a multi-use cover, and you get a first free refill. So every 3 months they send a subscription, so you get like a new head and a new battery pack, I believe, every 3 months. So yeah, and I think it's $20 if you subscribe. So I think it's like $80 a year for like a everlasting toothbrush. Sounds really cool in my opinion. So without further ado, let's go ahead and bust this guy open. Gonna rip this down there. Whoop. And it's like the book of, ooh, look at that. This is a nice unboxing experience, friends. There's like this little tab right here. What does this say? Whoa. It says, if I could get it, subscribe to get first free refill and a lifetime warranty, and then it gives the code. I'm gonna hold the code. You don't need to see that, but there, that is cool. It has some more stuff in here, so let's kind of focus on this guy. And it says tips for your teeth. Oh, just tips for teeth, and then it's like some brochure stuff. And I'll say the design of this, the paper feels good. Very nice. Try and put it in my mouth, but it's not a taste test, right? Throw that on that side. And yep, so here's the big reveal. All right, boom. Oh, this just comes off completely, so yeah, we'll disregard this. Bye. Whoa. And say goodbye to this packaging. Just get this out the way. And whoa. That is super fancy, guys. I don't know if you could see that, but this is like the best way I could describe this is if a toothbrush was sent to space and then it came back 100 years later, a little bit more sophisticated. It says twist me, then it has a recycle me, the clear plastic tube. But this literally looks like it's a work of art. It belongs in a museum. It feels like alien technology. It's so cool. So twist. Oh, and it unscrews. Whoa. Wow. That also feels like a mad scientist's file. So like upside down, it looks like it could be filled with, I don't know, some chemicals of some sort. Anyway, it's not what we're here for. It says press Q on head and turn. Press Q on head to turn on. Oh, I was like gonna turn it on right now. It has some sticky stuff on the back, so I'm gonna pull that stuff off. Some more stuff. Oh, actually, I'm not gonna pull that off because you're able to stick that to a like your wall or something. I don't know how that works. Cool. Whoa. The first thought holding this thing is this is metal. Like, this is metal. It's cold. Feels like a murder weapon. Or a wand, like Harry Potter wand. That's the vibe that I'm getting here. Looks really cool. And whoa. It's like vibrating, pulsing. Really nice. Wow. I think I'm gonna have to go brush my teeth with that. This was the unboxing. Look for a part 2 video where we go ahead and just brush the teeth with this guy to give you more info. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any comments for me about the unboxing experience, or there's other things you want me to unbox, I don't know why you would want me to unbox it, but my wife thinks that it's a good idea. So hit me up, drop them in the comments below. Let me know if you have one of these toothbrushes and what you think of it. Like, honestly, I think people who have used this like turn into raving fans. Let me know why you're a raving fan. or if you think this thing is too expensive, it's about 40 or 50 bucks. I'll leave a link in the description below to where you can pick one up if that's something you're into. And until we chat again, I hope you have some happy hygiene. Peace.